Baligbis Solid B. Carnaza dan Patayan, Cebu. Sponsors Mrs. Avelina G.
Next time.
This is my setup. Got to check. Happy graduation day!
Happy graduation day!
Bachelor of Elementary Education.
Why the third?
Happy graduation day! Hi guys, today is June 23, 2026 and it is our graduation day, and I just wanted to say that I'm very happy because the Pamayma made it. Saka,
Mahingog mo ko kay Lai.
may nakuha. Yo!
Technological University, the Bantayan campus, with all the rights, privileges, and responsibilities thereto appertaining. Congratulations, graduates of class 2020.
The graduates, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. Aribado, Kayla Jane A. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Sherwin and Mary Jane Aribado.
Melendres Joanna May.
Pinagkatinukod.
Yes!
Kaumaas. Just like the crayon and the pencil.
Tabi, tabi. I'm so fly.
Cause I know when away, I will have to slip away. If the daylight comes, I'll have to go. But tonight I'm gonna hold you so close. Cause in the daylight we'll be on our own. But tonight I'm here to hold you so close. Oh, 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 oh. Your reflection in my arms, so beautiful. The sky is getting dark, the stars are burning out. Somebody slow it down, it's playing too hard. 'Cause I know when the sun comes out, I will leave this light. Daylight comes, I'll have to go. But tonight I'm gonna hold you so close. 'Cause in the daylight we'll be on our own. 'Cause tonight I'm gonna hold you so close.
As you embark on a new chapter of your lives, always remain strong in the face of challenges, dedicated to your purpose, and courageous in pursuing your dreams, happiness, and growth. Let the knowledge, skills, and values you have gained from
pose.
So hi guys, this is me and Marie. We just took photos over there for our graduation. Yeah, ganiha. And this is us carrying all this stuff just to get the photo. Because we weren't able to take a photo like in our graduation time because we were busy and the time was limited, right? And now we're on our way to get our photos. Bye. This is my fit and this is hers. In it and Wednesday coded.